SWOD reports allow you to collate your project information to visualize it in a quick and easy way. The panel list allows users to see an overview of the components in a searchable and sortable table. The table can be grouped by your SWOD material types like glass or solid surfaces, which can then be printed independently or saved as an Excel file. The panel list gives you a more in-depth breakdown containing further information like edge bands, laminates, or CNC programs. In a similar way, users can take a look at the stock list, which is essentially a cutting list of your rough cuts, useful if these are to be cut manually on a beam saw. Furthermore, there's a full list of the hardware within the project in a sortable and searchable list, containing pricing and supplier. A full CNC programs list is available, and further information can be accessed, including which tools are to be used, and direct links to view the CNC code. The summary page contains a breakdown of the materials and hardware used in the project, with a total cost to quickly generate quotes. Panel labels are generated to identify panels on the shop floor, assisting with assembly and storage. Finally, the ability to print the entire report is available to distribute the required information to each member of the team from procurement to manufacturing. The report can separate the information in several ways. This is especially useful in the panels list as it groups the components in accordance with their frame. The same procedure can be used for hardware, where you can ensure the quantity fixings, fasteners, connectors, etc. are all ordered for each frame. The report allows users to see information about the frames in a list, or see broken down details of the panel, hardware and program, all of which can be printed at any moment. This can be used as a parts list when shipping to customers to assemble themselves, or for ordering replacement parts. A beam saw list is available where grouping the panels by material is quick and easy. Furthermore, beam saw panels get a separate set of labels. When using SWOD nesting, a nested panels list is available as well as a nested sheets list. Sheets can be seen in greater detail to view the contained panels, tools used, and associated CNC programs. Labels are automatically generated for each panel with an easily identifiable numeric guide, streamlining the progression from cut panels to final assembly.